Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Audi Q7 key battery. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Gently slide this button to release the emergency key blade. Once released, carefully pull the metal key blade completely out of the fob. This initial step provides access to the key's internal components, preparing it for battery replacement. It's a simple process that sets the stage for the next steps. Now that the emergency key is out, you'll notice a small slot where it was housed. Take a thin, flat tool, like a small screwdriver or a plastic pry tool, and carefully insert it into this slot. With a gentle twisting or prying motion, separate the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to use excessive force to avoid damaging the plastic casing. The two halves should come apart with relative ease. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the small, round battery inside. Before removing it, pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side faces up. Gently pry out the old battery. Most Audi Q7 key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery. This is a common 3-volt battery, widely available. Having the correct replacement ready ensures a quick and smooth exchange. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob. Press them together firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into place. Test your key to ensure it functions correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.